Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So excited about Vlogmas this year. I have a goal of bringing you a video every single day for the month of December. It may be a full length video or it may be a short, but stay tuned for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Today's video is all about the celebration of life, starting with my brother-in-law's 50th birthday. My sister outdid herself with this party and decor with the theme Classic Man. She brought in his favorite DJ, Vince Adams, and he had us dancing all night.
Make some noise. We only turn 5 one time, so let's do a proper for the one and only brother. Make some noise for the birthday boy one time. Here we go. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hi, Mia.
Good life. Good life.
Next up, pre-birthday celebration for me and my twin sister. We are Christmas babies. We decided to do a little family dinner at our favorite restaurant, Kiku.
Everybody watch your eye, brother, okay? Watch
And your hair.
Ready? Here we go. Final. Alright, let's try one more, okay? One more. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Yes, we go. definitely enjoyed my pre-birthday dinner with my daughter, my nieces, and my sisters. We had such a good time. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.